Hello students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, living and non-living things. We see many objects around us. Some objects are living, but some are non-living. Look at this picture. One is a girl and the other is a mountain. Now, can you tell me the difference between them? Yes, you are right. The girl can breathe out, but the mountain cannot. The girl can eat, walk, read and sleep, but the mountain cannot do any of these. So the girl is living and the mountain is non-living. Mountain आपका breathe नहीं कर सकता है, but girl आपकी breathe करती है. इसलिए girl living thing है and mountain non-living thing. What are living things? Living things have following features which is not present in non-living things. First, living things can breathe. Keep your hand in front of your nose. You will feel warm air on your hand. This warm air is the air we breathe out. All living things like humans, birds, animals and plants can breathe. जितने भी living things होते हैं सभी breathe करते हैं. Second, living things can move. All living things can move from one place to another. Human beings can move on their feet. Animals walk on their four legs. Plants and trees are also living things, but they cannot walk. They always stand on their roots. Animals और human beings चलते हैं, जबकि plants भी living thing है, but वो move नहीं कर सकते. Third, living things need food to live. All living things need food. They eat food to stay alive. Food also gives us energy to do work and play. Do you think that the plants eat food? Yes, the plants also eat food. They get water through their roots and carbon dioxide through air and take energy from sun. With the help of these things, they can make their own food. और plants भी अपना खाना बनाते हैं, उन्हें raw materials मिलता है nature से. 4. Living things have babies. Each living being has the ability to produce same of its own kind. This process is necessary for continuation of the next generation. Plants also reproduce. Reproduce means to produce copy of something. They produce seeds and seeds grow up into a new plant. Non-living things do not have babies. Plants जो हैं वो reproduce करते हैं, जबकि non-living things reproduce नहीं करते, इसलिए उनके babies भी नहीं होते हैं. 5. Living things feel. Living things can feel through their skin. Our skin is a sense organ. If we will touch something hot or cold, we will recognize it. We also feel the happiness, sorrow, joy and excitement by our heart. Plants are also sensitive about natural climate. Living things feel करते हैं अपने skin के through. कोई भी happiness हो या हम दुखी हैं या हम बहुत खुश हैं, ये सब हम feel करते हैं living things, but non-living things cannot. 6. Living things die. All living things die at one day. Humans and animals die when they become very old in age. Plants also die when they do not get water and the sunlight. Living things को एक दिन मरना होता है और plants भी living thing है, तो अगर उन्हें water और minerals नहीं मिलेंगे या sunlight नहीं मिलेगा, तो then they will also die one day. What are non-living things? Non-living things do not have life. It cannot move, breathe, feel, reproduce and die. Think about this mountain. Some other examples of non-living things are table, chair, truck, car and wall, etc. These things do not eat food. Since they do not live, they do not die. Non-living things को food की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. What are natural and man-made things? Non-living things are of two types, natural things and man-made things. Some of the non-living things have been given by nature and not made by man. These are called natural things. Mountains, rocks, forests, lakes are some examples of natural things. आपकी non-living things हैं two types की, natural things and man-made things. Natural things हमें nature से मिलते हैं. For example, rocks, forests, lakes, ये सारे हमें nature से मिले हैं. Some of the non-living things are made by the men like chair, pen, train, computer, houses, dams, wells, roads, etc. These are called man-made things. Man-made things यानी कि जिन्हें इंसान ने बनाया है, which are not given by the nature. Let us recall. First, all living things can move, eat, feel and die. Second, non-living things cannot move, eat, feel and die. Living things move, feel करते हैं जबकि non-living things move और feel नहीं करते हैं. Third, non-living things are of two type, natural and man-made. Nature gives us natural things. आपके non-living things two types के होते हैं, natural and man-made, and nature आपको natural things देती है. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई होप आपको ये चैप्टर समझ आया होगा. आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस चैप्टर और आपको लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग के बीच का डिफरेंस पता चल गया होगा. अब आप बुक एक्सरसाइज खुद से घर पे करेंगे.